Welcome back. I had a wonderful time over at Cody's lab. It was a magical experience.
On solid fuel and wires, turn the key and light the fire. We're leaving Earth today.
It's on diesel.
Yes, this rocket's burning bright. We'll soon be out of sight and orbiting in space. Sit back in my seat, look out my window. There goes home. That ball of shiny blue houses everybody anybody ever knew. That's deep, isn't it? That's a deep thought to say.
One day it's not going to be true.
I spent about 10 days there at Chicken Hole Base and helped him out, as you'll see in his videos on his page, with a new solar panel system. Basically, we rizzed up some solar panels to properly put out the right kind of voltage and current curves to create for maximum power point tracking. Fun. A morning panel, midday panel, afternoon panel. It's currently the afternoon. And, well, he now has the power. Number 2, worked on a new door for his greenhouse. I was inspired by a piece of material he had on the ground out near one of the greenhouse habs. And I thought, oh, that would probably allow for the right kind of geometry to work. That would allow him to open up a door as fabric based, well, TQ covered nylon, that would not be a problem with tearing. Oh, what else? Oh, and last but not least, the crown jewel, the spacesuit. Oh God, that was fun. And so I'm going to still make some more changes to the shoulder assembly for the suit. I think the shoulders are right a bit too low. I can't fix that on the bladder, but I can fix that using something called a bra. The shoulder assembly, if you will. I call it the bra. That's what it is. So over the shoulder boulder holder. If you know that term, you've watched Bette Midler one too many times. And recently, he gave me a little package to work with here.
So I'm just reading the thing here. So it takes pure hydrogen, produces 26 volts up to 46 amps.
1 hydrogen gas fuel cell. 1,200 watts.
That fills your lungs quickly. It's the same thing. It flows through orifices very quick. It's a very high, fast diffusing gas.
So I whipped up a little frame with this thing so it won't easily get broken. I can kind of transport it easily. Hydrogen goes in here.
Welcome to the Lollipop Guild.
Air comes in here for the oxygen side of the fuel cell, and some science happens that's beyond the scope of this video, but this will allow for up to 1.2 kilowatts of power. I have to run 2 of my gaming computers at full tilt. Right off hydrogen gas, and that's it. And so this thing is like from 1991, 2001. It's old. It needs a new oxygen sensor. I already ordered one of those a while back. It'll be in soon enough. And when this gets done, I'm going to be taking this back to Cody's lab, shipping it or dropping it off for him. And we're going to have a working fuel cell at Chicken Hole Base where he could split water into hydrogen, or water vapor into hydrogen using solar panels and storing a gasometer, and then putting it back into here at night. So instead of storing it in a battery, we're storing it in a tank. We're having fun with this. That'd be cool. And 1,200 watts is more than enough power for the night shift. Most of his things on Chicken Hole Base draw less than 200 watts, tilted, maxed out. So, yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm excited about open source. It's going to be a heck of a trip again. I'm still exhausted from going to Nevada for so long, but definitely a lot of fun. And, you know, this is not the end. This is the end of the start. This is the ending of the start, if you will. The end of the suit being worked on too much, but the beginning of way more cool stuff to come. There you go. Thanks for watching. I'll probably post a little more stuff before open source, but this is kind of the main teaser for that. And, well, you've now been teased. Cheers.